Hello.
Hi, how's it going?
Hello.
My name is Ramsey. What's your name?
My name is Ceci.
Sasi. Nice to meet you, Sasi. And where are you from?
I am from India. How about you?
My nationality is Turkish, and I was raised in America.
Okay.
Yep. But right now I live in Istanbul, Turkey.
Turkey. Okay.
Yep. Yep. And what city are you from?
I am from India. My native place here, also India.
Yeah, but the city?
Andhra Pradesh in Tadepalli. You can search.
Hmm. Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, Andhra Pradesh.
Is that in the north, south, east, or west?
South. South India.
Ah, South India. Are you close to Tamil Nadu?
What?
Tamil Nadu?
Tamil
Tamil?
Nadu. No, no, no. Yeah.
No, you're not. Okay. I have a student from there,
Okay.
and I was wondering if you're from the same area,
Yeah.
but I
I
guess
am
not.
from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Let me see here.
Yeah.
Uh, is
Yes.
it
Yes.
pretty? Is it below Tamil Nadu?
Yeah. Upside of Tamil Nadu.
It's higher. Right here.
Yes.
This
It's
one.
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
You are right.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Cool, cool. How is the weather there?
It's very hot now.
Oh my goodness. Do you know what is the temperature? Do you know?
It's mostly 32.
32. Okay. That's not
How
too
about
bad.
okay?
Yeah. In Istanbul, what's the temperature? It's similar. What is the
Okay.
temperature in Istanbul? As you can see, 29, but with a high of 31.
Okay. It's
Yeah.
raining there. What is the
Uh,
season there?
well, no, it's summer, and during the summer it doesn't rain very often.
Oh, it
Uh,
is raining here. Rainy season.
oh, it's rainy season. I heard
Yes.
there's a lot of floods. There are floods in India, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, I saw some videos. They were very
Okay.
scary. Uh, usually, what part of India does it flood during this season? It's monsoon season, right? In India?
Yes. Mostly it's south side.
Oh, really?
It's because it's near to ocean.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Is it raining right now
No. No.
in
No.
in Andhra Pradesh? No. Okay. But where was it? Where are the floods happening right now? In which city?
I don't know now.
Okay.
Okay.
Floods in
Tell me,
India.
what you are doing your profession? Are you
I'm an English.
teacher?
Yeah, yeah. My career is teaching English. This is my full time job on Cambly.
Oh, it's nice.
Yep. And what
Okay,
about you?
okay. I am a housewife. I have a baby, 2 years baby.
Congratulations. Me too.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you so much. I have two. I have one. The first one is 2 years old. The second one is 1 years old. 1 year old.
Okay,
Yep.
okay. Give me some advices and suggestions how to speak English, learn English.
Read.
No, no, no. Speak English. Speaking English.
No, if you want to speak English,
Yes,
well,
pronunciation.
you should read and shadow. That's the best way to learn. Is by
Okay,
listening and repeating the native speaker. If you want to
okay,
improve your pronunciation, you have to listen, pause, repeat.
Okay.
Listen, pause, repeat. And that's how you improve your pronunciation. Yep.
Okay.
And if you want to improve your vocabulary, reading. So look, there is a famous linguist. His name is Dr. Stephen Krashen. Stephen Krashen
Okay.
quote about reading.
Okay.
And this guy is one of the best linguists in the world. And here, people acquiring a second language have the best chance for success through reading.
Okay.
You know, here's another one. He has many.
Okay.
If children read 1 million words a year,
Okay.
at least 1,000 words will be added to their vocabulary.
Okay.
Yep. So, you know, this reading is the most powerful way to learn, especially on your own.
Okay.
Because
Like,
reading
is Telugu. So, okay. So I don't get English more to speaking. I don't get right word in right time,
Hmm.
and the words formation makes sentence.
So you mean you have problems with the word formation?
Yes.
So look, we say subject, verb, object, place, and time. Subject, verb, object, place, and time.
Okay.
Swapped. So always think, you know, this is the syntax for English.
Okay.
Subject, verb, object, place, and time. For instance, look here. Subject, Jenny ate. What did Jenny do? She ate. What did she eat? A sandwich. Where?
In the
What?
kitchen.
Last night. The time?
Yeah. Okay.
Last night. So, you know, always keep this in mind when you're speaking, because this is the sentence structure of English. But
Okay.
Sasi, it was nice meeting you. Take care.
I do.